Hello learners, you are welcome in the class +1. Here you will make the study and discussion about the subject physics. In class +1 you have 10 units. All the unit is divided in chapters. The first unit is here, physical world and measurement. First unit is here, physical world and measurement, having first chapter, introduction. Okay, generally physics is the branch of science. In the previous classes you have made discussion and studied about physics, chemistry and biology. All these branches comes under the subject science. How you will define the term science? How you will define the term science? The term or word science has been derived from the Latin word scientia, which means to know or knowledge. To know or knowledge. It means science gives some information, some knowledge of what? About nature, its compositions, its natural phenomena, its events in formulated way, in systematic ways and in logical manner. So you may write or you can define science is an organized systematic and formulated science is an organized, systematic and formulated knowledge obtained through observations, experiments and verifications. Is it clear? What is science? Science is an organized, systematic and formulated knowledge obtained through observations, experiments and verifications. Different scientists have given their own definitions about the science, about the term science. Okay, now here physics, because physics is also the branch of science. What do you mean by the term physics, or how will define the physics? Right now, physics is that branch of science. Physics is that branch of science which deals with nature and its natural phenomena. Which deals with nature and its natural phenomena, or you can define physics can also be defined as the science of measurement, or abstract science. Clear? Okay. Now, some branches of physics. In physics, you will study different branches such as mechanics, in mechanics, it deals with the study of orderly motion of objects, and you can say this branch of physics is based upon the Newton's laws of motion, law of gravitation, etc. Then next branch is thermodynamics. Thermo means heat. So here you can define, it deals with the disorderly motion of large number of particles. You can define, it deals with the disorderly motion of large number of particles. This branch of physics is based or concerned with the change in temperature, change in energy, change in entropy, and transfer of heat and external work. In detail, you will study in the syllabus. Then next one is here about next branch, electrodynamics. It deals with the theory of electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetic waves. In the previous classes, you have studied about, up to some extent, magnetic effects of current and magnetism also. Then next is here sound. Next branch is sound, or it is also known as acoustics. It is a branch of physics which deals with nature and propagation of sound wave. Propagation means to travel, which deals with the nature and propagation of sound wave. Then next branch is here light or optics. About optics, ray optics, you have studied in the class 10th. Light, reflection and refraction of light. Right now, in this part of physics or branch of physics, we study the nature and propagation of light, formation of images through lenses and mirrors, and also about the study of refraction, diffraction, polarization, interference of light. Then another branch is relativity. Relativity. Here we will make the study of motion of moving object with a speed comparable with the speed of light. Comparable with the speed of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We have to make comparison of the speed of moving object with respect to the speed of light. Then about next branch is nuclear physics. It deals with the atomic nuclei and their properties like nuclear fusion, nuclear fission, etc. Then next branch is particle physics. Which deals with the ultimate particles of which matter, which deals with the ultimate particles of which matter is made up of. कोई matter किन particles से बना है, study of those particles. Then another branch is quantum physics.